Got a call from a delivery service. Dad and I were moving a tractor this morning, and as we were dropping the trailer off, we noticed a guy stuck in a ditch in a delivery van. So we stopped and helped him, gave him our card, said give it to his manager because we assumed they'd have more. And here we are a couple hours later and already got a call for another delivery truck. Should be fairly easy and uneventful, but they are heavy trucks, so who knows, maybe it'll be a little interesting. We went ahead and brought the blue diesel, heavier, more power. See how it goes. Enjoy the show.
Hey, Google's head just down the street a little further. There it is.
Yeah, definitely shouldn't have come this way. He's trying to get over a big snow pile.
He almost made it.
Well, let's go see what it's going to take
rocks?
for us to get around that and then pull him through.
Those rocks in the bushes?
Yeah, it looks like big rocks. So I wonder if he's trying to go over big rocks.
I wonder if we should go around.
Maybe. We'll see.
Go back.
So I'm a little worried about these big rocks, these big cement. Do you know if there's any big cement things under this where you're at?
Maybe for me.
Any rocks under there?
I don't see any.
Oh.
Yeah, it doesn't look like there's any rocks underneath him, but it's a big drop to pull through.
Think you can winch him through?
Yeah. I think I'll pull with a rope though. Let me get the truck down and around, and then we'll try to grab, maybe I have a shovel or something. We can clean out some of that snow, and I just get a run right here.
Maybe. I want this truck. Oh.
Hey, have a good day. Yeah, thanks. Have a good one. How was that ride, Dad?
It's smooth. It's too easy. I was all braced for a jerk, and we just rolled out.
Yeah, I didn't want to jerk it the first go because I thought the truck would have enough traction on dry pavement and weight and power that I could pull it.
I was expecting a big cement block under there. They're all around.
I looked, and this guy says he works here, and he said there was none underneath it, which made me feel a lot more comfortable. All right, I think I just found them.
They're back a little ways around the back side of somebody's house.
All right, there's the Penske truck right there. And I'm gonna flip around. We're gonna pull them back over here and then head back out to the street that direction. So we'll get this set up.
Wanted to come overnight.
Okay, go ahead and get in it and start it up. Make sure the cart's over the back.
I was down.
Yeah, you don't want to spin the tires. Just give it a little bit of throttle, and then when it pops out, it'll start going. Don't want to go fast. Don't want to spin the tires. I'll pull it with the majority. So, and then we'll just go, and I'll turn that way, and then stop, and then I'll unhook, and then we'll go forward.
And I'll get out of the way.
Well, got it all done. Wasn't too bad. It came out pretty easy, and I'm headed back to work. So we'll catch you on the next one.